All right, Mr. Brother Derek here. We looking at Kenny's garage. Yes, his garage. The man can't pay his bills, so he's living in a garage. Yes. A man supposed to have two businesses is living in the garage. You know, Crow's people called the inspector on him, and so he had to go to his sister's house because they called the inspectors on him. Now he has to go because it's too cold to be in that garage. It's too cold. He doesn't even have a bed. So he's sleeping on the floor. Garage don't have no insulation. He tried to put cotton balls and aluminum foil. So he's giving up on trying to make the garage a home. That's not gonna happen. Okay. Here's the sad part. You don't have to be a brain surgeon to know that was not gonna happen, because if you watch my video, I told you a lady who does it professionally says you need more than $50,000, and it could take 18 to 24 months. Not to mention, how is he going to get plumbing? He talk about a washer and dryer. He don't have no bathroom. No toilet. He comes over there every day and does his show and plays on the computer and basically records everybody else's videos and puts them on his website, and then he goes and attacks people. Now y'all see he got his black shirt using that as a projector screen. He using his black shirt because he either got the black shirt on or he got the beige one. Hey, You look on that table, what do you see? You see any food? Do you see any food on that table? The only food he get is from his sister. You hear this man eating potato chips, eating Doritos, crackers. This man spends all day sitting in front of a computer and then comes live and tries to get you to buy his paint. It's sad. So now he got to deal with the embarrassment that he's not going to complete this garage. I don't know why he thought he could live in the garage. Look at him. Look at him. Aluminum foil and cotton balls for insulation. Look at this idiot. Look at this, huh? He moved the stuff from one side of the garage to the other, sets up a screen or sets up his monitor and does a live stream and tries to convince you. He tries to convince you that he's turning this garage, this dump, into a home. Telling you he living the simple life. He could buy a tiny home. He could get a mobile home. People have turned trucks into homes. This dude is in a garage that's not wired for anything except for electricity. How much electricity do you think? How many sockets do you think are in the garage? 1, 2, Why would you need more than 2 sockets in the garage? You park your car in there and maybe you might work on it. Maybe you might go out there and do some sawing or something. How many sockets do you need? This man runs LED lights and fog machines and I don't know how many projectors. He spent all his money buying old projectors, buying cheap LED lights, buying fog lights, buying cans of paint, and selling them on the yard. The man said that he had a garage where he did mixing at. That he don't do the mixing at his apartment. Why he didn't move in there? Why did he move here with nothing? Because see, if he was mixing paint and stuff, he would need water. So it would have to be a sink at least in that garage. There ain't nothing here. He's paying $500 a month to come talk to y'all every day and try to get you to buy his paint. That's what he's spending $500 a month for. Then he gotta slink down to his sister's house and be quiet. That's why he not live. He probably in her laundry room again. If he lucky, he in the guest room. If he lucky. Or if he lucky, he in the basement. But at least it's someplace warm. She could give him something to eat. If I see him wear these pair of pants one more time. Now I just showed you. Look, there's the shirt right there on his back. Y'all think I'm joking? That's the shirt on his back. There it is right there. Look at him. Look at him. See, it's black. Don't look at the projection hitting the shirt. Look at the top. See, it's black. It's that same shirt. He got that same shirt on, y'all. Oh, shucks. I'm dead serious. He got the same shirt on. That's the same shirt, ladies and gentlemen. That is the same shirt. You gonna see it up there? It's the same shirt. Oh, shucks. Grown man. This is a grown man, ladies and gentlemen. Grown man. 57 years old. Supposed to have 2 companies. And he moved in here because he couldn't pay his rent. How long for this place get let go? How long for he got to dip out on this landlord? Where is he going to go then? $500 a month to live in the garage. $500 a month. What was he thinking? There's no way he planned on moving here. They were going to evict him, and he grabbed what he could grab, and he made a run for it. He owed them people money, but he'll tell you he don't. He'll tell you he got great credit. How he got great credit when he skipped out all these people? He'll tell you he got stocks and bonds. He'll tell you he got $1 million contracts. What happened to the cigar lounge? What happened to the place he's supposed to be getting to run the corner for the cigar lounge? This guy's a loser. Seriously. He's a loser. In 12 years, he ain't got nowhere. But he'll come online and talk to you all day about painting and about talking about what does he call it? Long game, rain and screen game, and talk to you about matching paints and all this stuff. He sit there and try to sound intelligent. Fact of the matter is, that ain't got him nowhere. Look at what he done. Look at what it got him. He's in a friggin' garage. It's shameful. This is a grown man. And he'll sit there and talk to you, oversee you. Man, see my drawers. Because my drawers got a better chance of being in the courtroom than you do. I take that back. Have you paid them people that money yet? They might have you in the courtroom. And this guy is proud. He's proud to live. He think he doing something. He really thought that he was going to turn this place into a house. Yeah, I'm living a simple life. No, sir, you just simple. Look at him, y'all. Look at him. He even gonna have the black khakis on and the beige shirt, or he gonna have the beige khakis and the black shirt. You know, this dude, I swear to you, he had using the shirt on the projection screen. Then a couple of days later, he had it on. Then he had it back on the projection screen. He didn't even wash the damn shirt. I know that place smell like butt. That place probably smell like butt, feet, underarms, ass. Well, look at him. In his mind, he think he gonna turn that place. And look at that. He ain't got no insulation up there. That air coming right in there. He got nerve to have a heater on. That daggone heater. Yeah, ain't doing nothing. All that air coming in there. He trying to insulate the place with cotton balls. I ain't never seen nothing like this. And yet he want to sit there and tell you something. He want to explain something to you. Explain why he can't pay his bills. How come he can buy all that crap? Can't pay his bills. Ask me why he sat in that garage for 3 weeks with no water, with no nothing. And he ain't start doing something until I started roasting him. He was working on it. It took him a week and a half of trying to work on it. And now he ain't gave up. So now he wait till it get warm, leave that heater on, and hope that it's warm when he come in there. And he come in there and do the show, knowing he cold. And he got so desperate, he has open mic night, hoping to draw people in. Because he need attention. Yeah, you know, you gotta be able to show these things and man, shut up. Pay your damn bills. Pay your rent. Pay your rent, sir. Get yourself a place where you can do your demonstration. Get yourself a place. And because I told him to get his shit together, he gonna threaten to see me. Man, fuck you. I tell you to your face, fuck you, bitch. Yeah, hoo-ha, I'm down with the hoo-ha. The hoo-ha don't want a damn thing to do with you, sir. They're embarrassed by you. Especially when they find out you tried to turn a garage into a house by yourself. With no money. I got money. I got money in escrow. I got stocks and bonds that pay dividends. I spend my money. Man, you full of shit. That's what you is. You full of shit, sir. Don't nobody believe what you say. I'm sorry. Some people are going to say, you shouldn't roast him. Why not? This motherfucker got the nerve to show you this shit. He ain't got no shame. He ain't embarrassed to show you. Look at what he doing. This man does not know anything about carpentry or plumbing. He just going along. Some things you don't just go along with, okay? This guy literally could have set that garage on fire and endangered the people on his block. He don't give a damn. Trying to turn that place into a house without telling the landlord about it. Hoping the landlord never come by to visit. If he caused an explosion or something and somebody get hurt, the landlord gonna be responsible for letting him be in there. Y'all understand? He ain't just putting himself at risk. He put the landlord at risk. The same way when he was in that apartment and he had all that stuff hooked up with doing all them demonstrations, junk everywhere, wires everywhere. He could have set that apartment on fire and endangered the other people in the building. He don't care. This is the problem. This is him, Kid Bird, at Lost in Gods. Black Series Edition LLC Crapola. I call it the Crapola. What you gonna do? You gonna sue me? I said your Crapola. You crap. So your company gotta be crap. You're crap. So your company gotta be crap. I'm just saying. Look at how you run your life. That's how you run your company, right? If you tell me that you care more about strangers than you care about yourself, you let us know you insane. You crazy. Instead of trying to get a place and save some money up and get yourself together, you still trying to come over here every day and convince somebody to buy your screen paint, and it ain't working, and you getting worse and worse and worse, and you still keep doing it. That's the definition of insanity. Doing the same thing, expecting a different result. That's you. You're insane, sir. You are insane. Well, I just love how you say you're not going to talk about anybody. Your lawyer says don't mention anything. Yet, you can't stop. You said in the video last week, I'm not going to mention that minister. We don't deal with people like him. But then a couple of days ago, you threatened to sue me. So, your word don't mean shit. Okay? I don't believe a damn word that come out your mouth. Fuck you. Fuck your screen paint. Fuck your company. Because while you and your sister laundry room, on a cot, or on the floor, while you got your face in that linoleum, I'm laying in my queen size bed. I got 6 pillows here. And I got 2 projection screens to look at while I'm laying down. What about you, sir? What do you have? What do you have, sir? And I can go take a shower or a bath when I want. I can take a piss or take a dump when I want. I can cook when I want. Your sister don't cook for you. What do you eat, bitch? Tater chips, cookies and cakes. Donuts, stuff that's non-perishable, cookies, candy. The reason your ass skinny because you don't eat. You eat like a bird. You got the right name. Kenny Bird. Eat like a bird. The bird man. You gotta be ashamed of yourself. I'm talking about you. What you gonna do about it, bitch? You gonna sue me? Fuck you. Fuck you. And fuck you. Get your shit together. Save your money up and get a place. Stop being a bird doing your sister. It's not fair. She gotta take care of your dumb ass. Get your shit together, bitch. You know, the bulb blew on my ceiling projector today. You don't notice the difference? We got the 35. See, it's not white and silver. Within the hour. Actually, it's 12:24. 36 minutes from now. What am I going to be doing? I'm going to be ordering a new bulb. The bulb blew this afternoon. I'm ordering one tonight. If that was you, how long would it take you to get a new bulb? Huh? You would like, well, let me grab one of these other raggedy projectors and I'll get around to it and you never get around to it. And while I'm just sitting there getting dust. I know. That's what bums like you do. That is what bums like you do. You're a bum, sir. I'm calling you out. You're a bum. Don't like it? What you gonna do about it, punk? You're a bum. Get your shit together. Stop coming on YouTube and showing us you an ass. Be an adult, be a grown up, be a man, punk. Stop being a wuss. Stop worrying about what Crow and them doing. Fuck Crow and them. You need to get your shit together. As fucked up as Crow is, he got a place to stay. He provide for his family. You a burden to your family, bitch. And you spend your day trying to knock him down to make you feel better. If you want to hurt him, do well. Do well. Because remember, punk, I came in your chat trying to support you. And you blocked me. But I did it on my own. That's God's technology. I did it on my own, bitch. They need your help. Fuck you. Because God helped me do it. And I'm satisfied. I got my 2 screens and I love them. And I had to thank you for introducing me to the cartridge projector. Because I would have probably bought one of them home theaters. I thank you for that. That's the only reason why I didn't go ham on your ass. The only reason. You introduced me to the projectors. The business projectors, conference projectors, school projectors, whatever you want to call them. And it's because of that projector and you that I get to watch 100 up there, 160 up here. I can lay down and play my video game. I can have the lights on or the lights off. God's technology works. The ceiling wash out with the lights on. But I can have God's technology. I can lay down and do my videos. I ain't got to get up and walk around. I ain't got to do nothing. I can roll over, just wake up, hit the record button. I'm doing the video. Can you do that, sir? No, you can't, you crud ball. All right, y'all. I'm going to stop roasting this bum. This minute is above a Derek, and we out. Peace, everybody.